Hi everyone, welcome to Club UX. So the design field is expanding. It has expanded into multiple verticals. One such vertical is interaction design. We have already discussed in detail about what is interaction design. We have understood it with the help of examples. We have discussed about the dimensions and the principles of interaction design. In this field, we are discussing about who is an interaction designer and what does they do. So while it is the job of a UX designer to make sure that when the user interact with the product, the overall user experience is great. It is the job of the interaction designer to make sure those interaction moments are perfect. It is the job of making the interaction designer to make sure that the conversation that happens between the user and the product is easier for the user to understand and is user friendly. Interaction design is all about creating the conversation between the user and the product, and it is the job of the interaction designer to make sure that that conversation is effective and easy to understand for the user. Let's make it easier for you to understand. Let's suppose that you are in a mood of some spicy Thai food. You go to your favorite food app to order it online. You visit your favorite restaurant, and before you wish to purchase any food item, you want to see the different images of the options. Now, there are different ways by which you can interact with the food app to see the food options images. Number one is that you can scroll through different images. Number two is you can use your finger to move it left to right or right to left. Or you can long press a particular image, it will open, and then when you take out your finger, it will close. So you see, there are different options by which a user can interact with the food app. Now, here comes the job of the interaction designer to first of all decide which one is the most optimal way for the user to interact with the app. And the next thing that they have to do is to make sure that the conversation that is happening between the user and the interface is easier for the user to understand. The interaction designer has to create the conversation. They have to design what would be the interaction that would take place between the user and the product. The interface must be able to understand what the action would come up from the user, and based on the action, the interface would come up with the possible reaction, which should be easier for the user to understand. And then based on this reaction, user will come up with the possible action. This is the conversation that is happening between the user and the interface, and interaction designer has to design that. They don't have to think about colors, layouts, etc. What they have to make sure that the conversation that is happening between the user and the product, the interaction that is happening is smooth and easier for the user to understand. Now with this, let's understand what are the major roles and responsibilities of an interaction designer. Number one is to understand people and their psychology. When you design an interface, you must be able to predict in advance as to how user would behave with it. Understanding user psychology helps interaction designer to plan these ideal interactions. So if the interaction designer understands the user psychology, they would come up with the possible interactivity option which would be most optimal for the user to have between the user and the interface. And based on the user psychology, they can also plan the possible interaction or the possible conversation. Number two is design strategy. Design strategy is an integrated planning process that examines the relationship between the user and business goals and merging them together so that they complement each other. Simply put, design strategy is approaching your design project keeping the user goals in mind. If you understand the user goals, then it would be very easier for the interaction designer to create emotional as well as physical interactions that would help the user to perform their tasks, wireframes and prototypes. Interaction designers have to create wireframes that lay out the interactions with the product and look and feel exactly like the actual products. Prototyping helps to review and refine it with the help of user feedback to turn it into a polished version. Now, here it's important that I tell you that while in bigger organizations, the role of a UX designer and interaction designer can be separate, however, in smaller organizations or in startup, a UX designer and an interaction designer roles is almost similar. So when you are working in a bigger organization, it's important that an interaction designer works along with a UX designer in creating wireframes and prototypes. If you are into the beginning of the design process, then using low-fi prototypes is just fine. However, as and when you move along into the later stages of the design process, it's important to go ahead and move on to the hi-fi prototypes. And for that reason, it's also very important for the interaction designer to collaborate. Interaction designers need to work with many people to ensure that all interaction patterns are implemented correctly in a product. All of this includes UX designer, researchers, product managers, developers, and users as well. So as I just discussed, that if you're working into a bigger organization, then your roles can be different. However, if you're working in a smaller organization, then you might have to wear multiple hats of a UX designer, interaction designer, and maybe UI designer. So it's important that if you are stepping into the field of interaction design, you understand what is it that UX designer and UI designer do as well. I have already discussed in detail about the responsibilities. Do check out my videos. I have linked them into the description box. So guys, in this video we discussed about interaction designer in detail and what are their roles and responsibilities. In our interaction design series, we are discussing about the field in detail for you to understand about it. Do check out our website yukti.io where you will find a lot of articles on the same. And make sure that you subscribe to our channel for more videos on interaction design, UX, UI and UX research.